Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss 10 previous year questions of GK section. First question, which Veda has the maximum number of verses? Option A, Atharva Veda. Option B, Rig Veda. Option C, Sama Veda. Option D, Yajurveda. Answer is option A, option B, Rig Veda. Answer option B, Rig Veda. Rig Veda is regarded as one of the most earliest and sacred texts of Hinduism. Rig Veda is divided into 10 parts, which are known as mandalas. It is a collection of around 10,600 verses, maximum in the 4 Vedas, and 10,028 hymns. It is the oldest text in any Indo-European language. It is the oldest and biggest among all the 4 Vedas. The biggest Veda is Rig Veda. Oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Hymns, 1028 hymns are there and 10 mandalas. Veda written language is Sanskrit. Veda means knowledge. Veda means knowledge. So caste division is there in mandala. Brahmins represent mouth, Kshatriya in arms, Vaishya tie, Shudra foot. Veda written by Veda Vyasa. Veda written by Veda Vyasa. English translator of Rig Veda. English translator of Rig Veda. Max Muller. English translator of Rig Veda, Max Muller. Samaveda. Samaveda represents music. Samaveda represents music. Atharva Veda, magical formulas. Atharva Veda, magical formulas. Yajurveda, procedure of sacrifice. Yajurveda represents procedure of sacrifice. Atharva Veda, magical formulas. Samaveda, music. There are epic Mahabharata. Mahabharata is known as 5th Veda. Mahabharata is known as 5th Veda. For Jaya Samhita. Mahabharata written by Veda Vyasan. Mahabharata written by Veda Vyasan. English translator of Mahabharata, Kadambini Ganguly. English translator of Mahabharata. English translator of Mahabharata is Kadambini Ganguly. So, which Veda is the maximum number of verses? Rig Veda. Rig Veda is regarded as one of the most earliest and sacred text of Hinduism. Rig Veda is divided into 10 parts or books, which are known as mandalas. It is a collection of around 10,600 verses, maximum in the 4 Vedas, and 1,028 hymns. It is the oldest text in any Indo-European language. It is the oldest and the biggest among all the 4 Vedas. Okay, English translator of Rig Veda, Max Muller. Veda written by Vedavyasa in Sanskrit language. Fifth Veda is Mahabharata. Mahabharata also known as Jay Samhita. Sama Veda represent music. Atharva Veda magical formulas. English translator of Rig Veda, Max Muller. Yajurveda, procedure of sacrifice. Which is the oldest of the four Vedas? Which is the oldest of the four Vedas? It is Rig Veda. Next question. There are dash mantras in the Rig Veda which are included in the unproven Valkya hymns. There are dash mantras or dash hymns, 1028. Already we said in the previous question. Rig Veda consists of 1028 hymns organized into 10 books known as mandalas. 10 books known as mandalas. Option A. Which among the following is the oldest and the biggest among all the four Vedas? Oldest and the biggest is Rig Veda. Option A. Which Veda is the largest and considered the most important of the collection containing 1028 hymns divided into 10 books called mandalas? Option D, Samaveda. 6 major philosophical schools of Hinduism are Nyaya, Sakya Yoga, Vaishika, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. Yajurveda deals with the rituals of Yagana. Yajurveda deals with the rituals of Yagana. Which of the following limbs of Vedas is known as explanation and meaning of complex words? Nirukha. Vedangas are the organ part of the Veda. These are 6 in numbers. Shiksha, Shanada, Vyakarna, Nirukta, Jyotisha, Kalpa. Nirukta is much famous for its description of complex words. It was composed by Yaksha who recognized it as the complementary of Vyakarna. The tough words which were out of reach of Vyakarna are well described in Nirukta. From where have the words Satyameva Jayate, which are inscribed below the national emblem of India, has been taken? Satyameva Jayate taken from Mundago Upanishad. Upanishad is also called Vedanta. Vedanta. Meaning, Upanishad meaning sitting close to Guru. Sitting close to Guru. Upanishad meaning sitting close to Guru. Total number of Upanishad. Total number of Upanishad. Total number of Upanishad 108. Mundago Upanishad is the smallest Upanishad. Smallest Upanishad. Smallest Upanishad. Mundago Upanishad. Mundago Upanishad. Oldest Brihadaranya Upanishad. Mundago Upanishad. Satyameva Jayate adopted from Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate adopted from. Satyameva Jayate adopted from Mundago Upanishad. Satyameva Jayate taken from Mundago Upanishad. Satyameva Jayate popularized by Madan Mohan Malavya. Satyameva Jayate popularized by Madan Mohan Malavya. Oldest Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad. District of, okay. The national motto of India, Satyameva Jayate, described below the emblem of India, is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Motto means truth alone trumps. It is written in Devanagari scripture. It is taken from Ashokan pillar, Saranath, built by Emperor Ashoka. The national motto of India, Satyameva Jayate, meaning truth always, from which ancient Indian scripture is a mantra emanating from. Answer is Mundaka Upanishad. In ancient times, a person was weighed against a commodity and the equal weight of that commodity was offered as donation. What was this practice called? This is called Tulabhara. Tulabhara, also known as Tula Purusha or Tula Dana, is an ancient Hindu practice in which a person is weighted against a commodity and the equal weight of that commodity is offered as donation. Vedic time period in India lasted from option A 1500 to 500 BC. So this was the last question. So we will continue in next class. Thank you.